ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call.
Mike. Mike. Can y'all hear me, guys? All right, there we go. Welcome everybody. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Everybody, great to see you again. It's been a long time. I hope you all did great this morning. I haven't seen you guys in a long time, guys. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Crypto, Nathan, Kelly, Paul, 70, Steve, Sparkling, Richie, Vinny Lee in the house, Justin Wright, Arian, Jen, Maximus, Sonic, 44 Punisher, Buenos Dias. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? Steve, Zen25, Sonic, Gonzalo. Everybody, great to see you guys. Globex Asia, the market about to start in about 7 more minutes. I thought you were going to pump close. Yeah, so I was definitely, I mean, this price action obviously is very annoying, guys. You know, this market is trying to find a way to just stick everybody down. Honestly, it's probably one of the most frustrating price action we've ever come across here in the last couple of weeks. It's just getting worse every single day. Doesn't seem to get any better, to be honest. So, all right. Tommy Tome, what did you have a bad day? 44 Punisher. You lost big yesterday in both personal and lost all your illicit funded accounts. Today, you recovered in personal and NDX options straight on the long side. Made it back. Nice. Bowser Trader. It was crazy. Very irrational market. It's beyond irrational. Nathan, now that Funding is no longer reliable, what do you recommend, Lucid? I think it's probably better we ask our fellow traders here. I'm most probably thinking, I don't know if you were there a few days ago. We had a vote, and Lucid and Take Profit Trader kind of came in pretty close. And number 3 was Apex. Surprisingly, Lucid came in number, I guess, tied number 1. Put it that way. You haven't seen Cube here. Which Cube? Ice Cube? All right, fellow traders. Zabak the Midget in the house. You gave up on the funding ticks. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I also gave up on funding ticks for sure. I'm still trading. I got a few accounts that I've had like, you know, for over a month now. So, Blue Sky. Can you copy trade and list it? I think so. Definitely not a problem. God, everybody has so many problems with so many firms. Freddie, Benny, Apex, they don't pay. Really? What do you mean they don't pay? Kelly Kaufman, my day was good and bad. You know, today was the kind of a day I ended up trading all my accounts, which is great. But during that process, I ended up also losing some couple accounts, which obviously is not the greatest thing. And yeah, so, you know, I'm happy and sad at the same time. So, you know, I think you know what, trading, you know, I think one of the better things to do in trading is to take it slow. You know, today is not the last day in trading, so I think that's what I've got to do. So, I mean, It was all right. I think this market was definitely a very tough, right? So we got 4 more minutes to go for this market to open, but the market really gave us, you know, a very difficult clues on how this market's gonna go in the next few days. So we have today's Thursday, right? So Thursday and Friday, we got 2 more days to go to finish the week, and yet the price that we see now at 25,200 area, guys, I mean, we had a 600 points bounce in this market, you know, like since last night, and we just literally gave back about 200 points right from the high to the close in today afternoon. So I'm kind of leaning more to the downside into the Globex Asia. Now obviously I'm gonna have to kind of find out what this market does in the first few minutes, but it was I've been scratching my head all day, just put it that way. I am confused myself. I know you guys are, but you know, I had some really nice calls, right? You guys know there's certain levels I said, you know what, if we get there into the pre-CPI, we could see this market just rip your face off and kind of get a bounce, and we actually got it. The problem here is lots of profit taking and still lots of selling pressure coming in from an AI world, and then also Oracle, Nvidia. All of these stocks are not still showing the bottom. So, and the Bitcoin also could be in the bottoming process, but the Bitcoin down $85,000, guys. And I said this again and again that even if we get a bounce in the NQ, we could still see the Bitcoin get the selling pressure step in. And this is what I said, and I guess the crypto world also getting a lot of selling pressure coming into today. So I don't know, it's a very difficult, confusing market. So I guess we're gonna have to, like, you know, trade with caution, be careful in your trading. This market has zero tolerance to any kind of an error. So we're gonna have to really try to downsize our position and try to see if we can actually, you know, do a lot of scalping with a smaller size. I think that's probably a good way to kind of trade in the next day or two. Protect our accounts, and that is what I'm gonna do, and that's what I've been thinking about for the last couple of weeks now. And I said, okay, well, I'm gonna try my level best to really try to hold on to my funded accounts for as long as I can into the close, meaning towards the end of the month. I do not want to see myself getting racked left, right, and right with my funded accounts at the end of the year, because it's, you know, you're gonna, like last year, same time, I had a really tough time because I was building accounts into January 2025, and that was a really tough one. So I didn't really get a lot of payouts because I had to kind of push myself into getting funded accounts, and it's only February, towards the 3rd week of February, and that's when I start to really grind with the payouts. But anyways, guys, the market is open now. Good luck, everybody. The market is open now, and we are good to roll here. Getting a little bit of a gap to the upside.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, we are getting a little bit of a gap to the upside. I went short right off the bat, and I will exit my trade.
Order submitted.
If we get above 256, we are currently sitting at 237. Actually, you know what, I lied. I'll probably have it at 250 here. All right, so I'm shorting now, looking for that quick push down. Let's see if we get it, guys. If I don't, then I get stopped out at 250. Actually, you know what, I lied. 256. My stop here is going to be at 256. I'm gonna have a hard stop. If not, then we gotta pull back here, try to fill the gap to the downside. My limit order set at 230. Are we gonna be moving here to the upside here, guys? Look at this. Look at this bounce that we're getting. Let's keep a close eye on this, guys. 247, that's where we are right now. I've already started to trade. I went on the short side, a quick little snap. Looks like we are getting a little bit of a bounce in this market, guys. So maybe not good start. Looking better. All right, we'll keep an eye on this. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop, guys. I'm gonna try and give myself a lot of room here. All right. Why are we up? We're not really up much, so I don't want to put too much meaning into why we are gapping here to the upside, guys. All right, so this market trying to hold. Let's take a look at the chat. Justin, right, the trade of it is lagging. The Nike and the FedEx. Do we have earnings come out just now? Do we have earnings? OIH production. Yeah, what a loser. I'm gonna have to take you out, brother. I'm sorry. Trade of it is lagging. I'm both MNQ and NQ trader. I'm both. It looks like you're new to my stream, but I do both. I flip back and forth at different times, depending on obviously market condition and StockTiger's condition as well. Mr. Monica is here in the house. We should come to 200. We should get a pull back into 200. Is that what you're saying? That's way too much. Oh really? Cold Case Lab? I have no idea who that person is, but first time seeing his name though. When I was entering a short position, I don't see my orders. Oh yes, I mean that's been going on for a long time, by the way. That's nothing new. It always happens every day. I think pretty much every day for me. Guys, I wonder what this market's gonna do. I'm gonna exit this trade here, guys. Oh, I'm already up.
Order filled.
Order filled.
$100. I got the $100, guys. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna try and scale into my short position here, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to short in this.
Order submitted.
All right. I went back to MNQ, guys. Trying to scale into my short position. So if you get a bounce, then I am going to average down. I didn't take your limit order. Yeah, I mean, trade of it has been lagging quite a lot. I mean, because it's nothing new now, I don't talk about it anymore. But I don't know. It's not a new issue. It's been there for a while now. So good afternoon, Nick Trades. What up, brother? A guild aguri. What is a guild aguri? Tiger. Hey man, who's deleting those messages? Tiger, we have JPY CPI at 6:30. CPI is already done. We already had a CPI. Did you trade New York session? Yes, I did. This morning, I was there for 4 hours. Where were you? Where were you, brother? Oh my God, we're getting a pullback. Miss Monica was right. She was absolutely right about this pullback here, guys. What is up with this market, everybody? I have no idea. I mean, are we going to just go back to where it actually was before pre-COVID? Oh, sorry, not COVID. Before... I'm getting a little bit of a mental breakdown myself, guys. Oh my God. I'm getting a little mental breakdown myself. I'm like COVID. Pre-COVID, guys. Come on. Pre-COVID. Oh. This market is just so annoying, everybody. I'm pretty sure it's annoying everybody too. Not just myself, but I mean, it's just incredible. Incredible, guys. I mean, I don't know. Somehow I kind of survived. Somehow I still survived. We'll see how far I can actually go. I know I should have kept that to NQ. I'm just a cheap guy, you know. I'm happy with $100 of profit on my account, unfortunately. All right, so we are getting that pullback, guys. We're down about 0.25% already, so I don't know, man. This is not looking that great.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it is lagging right now pretty hard. So I placed an order, but it is lagging.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I wonder how deep of a pullback we are going to actually get, because if we crack underneath the 180, I think this thing could go pretty hard back down. So, guys, I'm going to exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
I'm going to wait for a little bit of a bounce in this market before we start to maybe roll over down. But once again, like I said, I think 180 is going to be a big one. And I think if we crack underneath that, I think we could see this thing go back all the way down to the 100 area. And then I don't know, obviously that's a fair value gap, the ICT traders like to call it. We have a fair value gap here in that 180 to 100, right? So, and then guys, man, and then it's not far off. We are if we continue to get a pullback, then we are back to where we started pre not COVID again, pre what, man, guys? Oh, pre CPI. Hoba. Just requested, Mr. Andrew just requested your second listed payout. My God, that's a really beautiful looking listed payout there. 2K, nice. Yeah, I requested what again? I requested $700 on Tradify. Wow, great. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna trade my what do you call this? My XFA, so I can request the payout, guys. I will request the payout here. Let's just take a look and see how many did. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. Not this one. I've got to trade this bad boy. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So yep, there we go, guys. One more trade and I should be able to request the payout. I'm going to
order filled.
all right, here we go, everybody. I'm on a 500 tick chart and let's see what this market does. Hopefully it doesn't jink on me. I've got one mini contract on this trade, and I'd like to just see if we can actually get a little pullback down to 217. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna try and where's my take profit trader accounts? This is the micro ones, right? So
order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
place a whole bunch of limit orders
Order submitted.
to the short side and look to see if you get a pullback from there. All right, so we are at 226. I'm looking for a pullback into 217. That's literally about 10 points, really. 10 points is all I'm really asking. Oh, Mr. Alfred, you requested $5,000 from TopStep? You are such a monster. Did you post that on a payout tab? I'd love to see that, bro. That's incredible. Great stuff, man. How did you do that? Oh, guys, one second. Let's just try to finish this off, guys. I would love to see this pullback here. Give me my $170 so I can go ahead and request the payout. I've got a tab open right now. I'm getting ready to request the payout, guys. Come on, just give me my $120 right now. Bring it down. But great stuff, man, Alfred. Wow, $5,000. Wow, that's cool. I like that. Guys, by the way, if I'm not responding to your questions, just please bear with me. I'm in a position number one, and I've got too many questions or too many chat. So just bear with me, and if I'm not responding again and again, then you can type it again and again so I can go ahead and respond back to you. Sorry about that, and thank you so much for your understanding. And guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. If you guys are enjoying what you guys see, thank you so much. And yeah, I go live every day, Globex Asia, 5:30 p.m. As you guys already know, if you're a new trader here, that's what I do every single night. 5:30 p.m. Eastern time is when I go live, Globex Asia, into the China Open, and twice a week in the morning as well, New York, minimum at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning, guys. By the way, this market is sitting at 225, trying to get a little pullback down. I like to see that pullback down, guys. We just need a couple more points to give me that what I need. I just need about $120 here. It's just not giving it to me, brother. Oh my god, I'm not a happy camper right now. I am down again. 25 bucks, 55. Incredible.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, guys, we are getting a bounce and I am down. It looks like it's gonna go down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, fellow traders. Looks like I am in trouble. 1 second, guys. Let me just take a look on a 30-minute chart before I start to kind of panic.
Order filled.
Oh! Guys, what happened? Guys, what happened? Did you guys see that? Guys, man, what happened there, man? What was that, guys? I didn't touch anything. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I didn't touch anything.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
I didn't close anything. I didn't close anything. I did a drawing here. All I did was draw, right? As soon as I did a drawing, it closed. Really? Okay. All right. I need some water. All right, I guess it's a good thing that I actually ended up closing that trade because but I have no idea. I don't know if I touched that. That's weird. Are we gonna get a balance in this market, guys? I'm just gonna have to just sit back and relax for a little bit, kind of let it do its thing for now.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to expect this market to kind of roll over down in order to kind of give me a chance. I don't know if this market is gonna be yeah, I'm gonna be down quite a lot. I mean, maybe. All right, I'm gonna have a hard stop here, probably in that 261. So let's see. Let me stop at the break even here. Actually, you know what? I lied. I'll try to take my profit if I can. God, I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm not sure what to do. Never been this confused, guys. I know Ninja Baseball, it does happen to me a lot of times. Now I have to make $400. Yeah, that's right, Monica. You're right. I just made everything worse. The CPI is already gone. It happened this morning, right? It was this morning. There's no more CPI. So I'm looking for that little push down. I don't know if we're gonna get a push down though. I mean, I would love to. Maybe I should just try to quickly. Oh man, look at this beautiful. All right, guys. I'll take that $100. I'll take the $100. All right, guys. I'm gonna move to micro NQ, guys. I took my $100 and walked away. I'm down to 165 now. All right, we'll see what happens. Very annoying. I can't believe this is getting harder and harder for StockTiger. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all again. All right, here we go. A Japan CPI. Oh, okay. So you guys are talking about Japan CPI. All right. I thought you guys were talking about US. And US CPI was already done. I was like, you know what? Got a little confused. Guys, today's my last day streaming, as I will not be here tomorrow. And to some of you, I'm pretty sure you are grateful. But I will not be here tomorrow morning, so I'll be away. I'll be far away from you guys. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be very sad. But there's something that I like to take away is I like to get a little payout with Top Step here today and tomorrow. So if I can get $150, wow, what a battle, guys. So I'm down 165 and I've got to make $150 again. So that's literally about $300 I've got to make in order to get myself back in track and get to requesting a payout here pretty soon. Oh my, we are getting a pullback here. Damn, guys. At the end of the day, this is what I was talking about, right? Just really annoying. It's really annoying that it has to happen right here. I'm gonna try and oh my god.
Order filled.
Too bad, guys. Too bad. I mean, just not feel. Oh my god, guys, man, that's a nasty pullback there. That's a nasty pullback. Oh my god. Oh well, everybody, I am no mojo. Not happy. What is this trying to do? So let's have some fun today, guys. We'll have a blast here. We'll try to get to a payout on this bad boy. Let's try to get this thing going. I'm down, but we're gonna make it back, and we're gonna get to a payout, and we are going to make it happen. I am definitely very motivated to get this thing done today, tonight, everybody. And until we do it, the stream isn't over. All right. We are getting a little pullback here. Making a little slow grind. Oh my god, really? You need another $350 to pass? Yeah. There we go. Nice stuff, man. All right, so this market trying to navigate through what it wants to do. Let's quickly take a look and see what the payout is all about. What the heck is this? We have I'm jazzy. Let's take a look at the payouts here. Oh my dear. From who again? Funding ticks? 14,000? Is this live account, Silver? That's crazy, man. We got Fredo taking $5,000. That's crazy too, man. Fredo making his way, $5,000, guys. Silver 14,000. Fredo 5,000, and we got Mr. MRC Trades taking another wow, look at that, guys, man, incredible. to, wow, how the heck you do like exactly $5,000 every single payouts? Is that your kind of a what do you call it, your strategy to kind of like only request the payout until you get to a certain number? Is that what it is? Pretty cool. Nice, man. Fredo making the move here. Good stuff. We got Pulley as well taking some more payouts as well, and StockTiger here taking $730, man. I don't know if you guys noticed, but my payouts are very tiny every single time. You guys have never seen me like take anything beyond 5K, you know? That's pretty crazy, man. Yeah, that's $14,000 from funding takes silver. Crazy. Incredible. Guys, man, good stuff, man. What a great looking P&L and what a great looking payouts as well, man. You guys are killing. My payouts are like just a very small, tiny little payouts. And those things kind of add up too. Guys, you know that, right? Apex $2,000 every single time, so. But I try. You know, it's like a constant grind. I prefer to keep myself, you know, taking smaller payouts every single time. So kind of like put that very consistently throughout the entire, let's say, couple payouts every week, you know, or one payout every day, for example, even if it's a small amount. I like that, you know. I mean, I just feel a lot more comfortable doing that. I just don't have those big payouts. I don't know. I mean, I'd love to get to a payout like, you know, 10K in a single payout, right? But I just can't do that. Just different styles of trader, I guess. I don't know. You have already reached apex and funded next target payouts for December. Time to increase. Monica, that's a lot of pressure. That's a lot of pressure on StockTiger. Guys, we're trying to get a little bounce off that 214. I'd like to really see 228 to 230. Joy Crypto, you're gonna be funding your own account starting like $1,000 and going from there. Is it possible with micro? I think so. I haven't traded futures. I haven't done any futures with my own personal money, and I don't intend to do that anytime soon. And that's purely because I could end up losing all my money if I'm trading on my own live account. You know what I mean? So yeah, you know. I mean, good stuff. You know, I have a friend of mine. He's also on YouTube, but he was down this morning on a pump. The market was pumping, and he lives in Korea, right? So he was down, I think, about $15,000 on his live account, on his personal live account. He was down about $15,000, and obviously, New York in the morning. It's late night in Korea, right? So he went to bed, and he said he's gonna leave it overnight in Korea, right? So what does that mean? Right now it should be in the morning, right? So he should be trading that account, but I'm pretty confident that he could be back to break even. But he's definitely got the balls to kind of hold that account, because he was with 5 mini contract in his personal live account, and he was down about $15,000. So now he may be down to maybe 4K just based on what we see this market, guys. We literally just gave a lot of the gain, right? We were up where again? Actually, where were we? We were up here. We hit the high at 25,400, and we are literally just giving back about 50% retrace, right? Maybe a little less than 50%, but we are pretty close. So I would say he may be back in green. He may be back in green by the time he wakes up in the morning, which is obviously now in Korea, right? So it's pretty, yeah, man. It's I'm glad and I'm very happy for that fellow trader. Anyways, completes all the firms. It will start his own live account. Yeah, I mean, we could come up with something a little more exciting for sure. Maybe create my own PROPFIRM, I guess. I could certainly do a better job than funding ticks for sure. I think, in my opinion. Which PROPFIRM is the best for payouts? I'm not sure at this Penti. I probably think Take Profit Trader is probably the best one by far. But again, everybody's got a different opinion. You can ask the fellow traders here on the chat. they should be able to give you. I mean, if you go to our Discord and go to the payout tab, you see a lot of payouts coming from everybody, right? So you can see all these payouts and see who they are, right? It's pretty obvious. You get a lot of information by being on our Discord, by the way, guys. And look at this handsome little boy here. He's only 17, by the way. He's turning 18. But he's got a lot of white hair, though. I don't know what happened. Anyways, guys, forget about that guy for now. We'll get back into our trading mode. Sky Blue, what is going on, man? Hoover, Flag Trader, Joey Crypto, Disarray, Addis, Take Profit Daily Payouts, Tradify is poo poo. Why? What happened? What's going on with Tradify? I think Tradify is, I don't know, Mr. Dan Amon's beloved Prodia. Should I go after Prodia now? At least, you know what? I'm grateful that I got a lot of firms I can trade, by the way. I'm really trying to find a better entry so I can actually get into a trade. It's not working from the description. I'll share my Discord link. Well, we had a lot of traders coming in. All right, I wonder what this market is trying to do, guys. I'm gonna try and scale into my short position
Order
here.
filled.
Right. So if you get a bounce, I'll try to scale into my short position. And look for a pullback all the way down into the 170s. Well, that's really far off. That's maybe asking for too much. Maybe initial low here, maybe down to the 200. But by the time we get there, I'll probably have a lot more contracts. Corey the Scalper in the house. What is going on, brother? How was your day? So you were up $1,100 around the lunchtime, but before the market closed, I cost yourself a lot and dug myself into a hole. $35 drawdown remaining. Oh my God. Corey the Scalper, I totally understand because this market was just so wacky, right? I mean, who would have ever thought this market would actually do this dumpage towards the end of the day? And it's been doing that for the last few days. Guys, this market has been absolutely crazy. Very annoying, right? I mean, very, very frustrating price action, guys. Very frustrating. Yeah, I mean there was definitely a lot of traders who were up $2,000, but then obviously a couple $1,000, and then ended up blowing that account, and some obviously losing the whole gain that they've made in the morning. And I'm no exception, guys. I'm no exception. I am absolutely no exception. If you are looking for the cheapest account, then I think it's probably Funding Futures Network. You get two accounts, right? You get 2 accounts for $75. I don't know if it's on right now though. I don't know when it ends, but it's got $75. You buy one, and you have to send an email with your subscription on that first account that you bought. Send an email to customer service, and they will give you that extra account that you can use that code to get it for free, right? So it's 1+1 BOGO deal. So that's probably the cheapest one we have in town, I think. I don't think there's anything else that's that cheap. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of traders here trading Funding Futures Network too. Maybe they can give you shed some light. Oh, it's 3 funded accounts, really? Oh my god. All right, we're gonna get a little bit of a grind to the upside here, as you guys can see. So I'd like to see what this market's gonna do. Maybe try to get a little bit of a bounce in this market, and maybe you know, start to get a pullback, or are we just gonna continue moving higher? If this market really wants to see a little bit of a bounce back, I think we've got to crawl back above the 265, right? So I think that's what I'd like to see, push, right? And then we start grinding, and that's gonna be like a, you know, a higher low, sort of a trending pattern that's gonna keep pushing this market back up into the next level of resistance. That will be somewhere here, right? And then that would mean the market is back to where it started. So it's gonna be, I'm definitely keeping an eye at certain levels. Obviously, I got a hard stop here at 257, which I kind of feel like that could be the catalyst to kind of move this market back up again, right above the 258-ish. So I'm trading this right now. I think I took it off. Oh, I'm still trading. I'm still trading take profit trader. I didn't realize I'm actually in a trade. I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Looks like this market trying to get a bounce or what now, guys? It doesn't look like it wants to get a pullback. I don't know what you guys see. Let's try to do a little poll, guys. I want to find out what you guys see. Where is this market going? Yeah, guys, so let's do a little poll. I want to find out what you guys think, right? Let's find out, guys. I want to know what you guys think. It looks like we're trying to get a little balance, guys, right? I'd like to see what you guys have in mind. We got a little bit of a I like the candle, but of course I can't be too oh, look at that pullback. That's the problem. This is the problem. Where's the market going now? Oh, so we got a bulk of traders actually thinking it is pushing to the upside. With Asia open and then rocket. Oh, Hyung-Sik Min also thinking the market's gonna rocket here as we get to the Tokyo Open, which is in about 20 more minutes. All right, guys, we got 20 more minutes for Tokyo. You know, I kind of noticed that Tokyo usually starts to move the market. Yes, and I agree. So always kind of maybe safer to stay a little patient, you know, and then look for that directional move into the Tokyo. Tokyo is when the market starts to move. This PA is gross. Money Mitch. It is, yeah. All right, let's see if you get a little pullback down, guys. I like to see this pullback down so I can make my 150 bucks here, so I can request a payout. I'd like to see a little payout, guys. Moving into, oh, maybe I've got something going here, guys. Maybe let's give it a try. Maybe I have a little chance.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna be risking about $100 to make something more, of course. All right, man. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna get mad if you get a bounce, of course. Right? Let's try to see if we can actually get a little more pullback down, guys. Back at least into the 210. It'll be really nice if we do that now, guys. If you get a bounce, I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna get really mad, guys, if you get a bounce right now. I need a little push down, guys. Let me just place my stop. Oh, man. Yeah, let me just place my stop here at 230. Right at the VWAP. That's where my stop is gonna be, guys. Oh, my God, guys. Let's try to see now. I've got 8 contracts. You know, there's nothing really I can do anything anymore other than just wait and watch this market do its thing. I knew it, man. I kind of smelled we could get a little bounce back up again, and there we go, guys. There we go. I don't know, man. All right, guys, let me just give myself a little bit more room, right? At 230, 230, is it 230? 237. So my stop at 237, guys. And 230, yeah, 230 is where my stop is gonna be. Incredible, we got to bounce off that level. Incredible, guys, incredible. All right, wow. It's been the toughest $150 gain. To make $150, this is probably the toughest one. There we go. We are getting a bounce. So sad. Looks like this market wants to go higher, guys. I don't know, man. I don't know what you guys see. Or maybe we try to do something like that, guys. I mean, you know, like a little bit of a bounce, like bounce, bounce, bounce. And then we dip down. You know what I mean? And, you know, you have a little bit of a support kind of waiting in the area, 220, and then we flush it down and try to retest the initial low. Is that what it is? I don't know, man. It's risky at this point. Maybe I should have just kind of waited. Instead, I went short, and then the market could actually end up getting a bounce, as you guys know. It is definitely very doable. And off you go. There we go, guys. We are getting a... Oh, where did this thing go? My little trend line. Fuck, man. Pissed me off. I don't know. It looks like it's trying to go higher, right? I cut the wrong side, unfortunately. And that was a little bit of a fake pullback down. What a pressure. Gotta hit tough step. We got 14 more minutes for Tokyo now. And we're sitting at 240. And the market trying to get a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled.
Here. Fingers crossed, guys. I think it's trying to go higher, guys. I think it's trying to go higher. God, I hate this. Oh, all right. 240.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, way over exposed right now. Oh, we are getting a bounce. Oh my god. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
Ah! Yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of wait, right? I want to see a little bit of direction to move, and I'm gonna have to take a stab in my trade now. Don't really have a lot of room, so I'm gonna wait for Tokyo now, guys. We got 10 more minutes anyways, so yeah, a little mad at myself, man. Globex Asia, probably the worst time to trade Globex Asia. Oh my god. All right, I'm down a little less than $500. I'm gonna have to kind of make it back again. I'm gonna be using NQ to trade. All right, I'm gonna have to take my chances here, guys. No bueno, so I'm gonna have to wait for Tokyo. We got how many more minutes again? We got 5 more minutes? No, 10 more minutes. So 10 more minutes for Tokyo, and we'll try to take a stab. I'm trading Top Step. You should be good if you can hold for 10 more minutes. 9 out of the 10 China sales. Oh. Now if I obviously try to go long here, it's gonna pull back, right? Very obvious. Let's actually try to see if I can actually get a little it's too late now. I tried, but then obviously we already got a little pullback down, so yeah, I mean, I better be careful, right? I better be careful because I'm playing with Globex Asia, right? Not a perfect time to be messing with yeah, really not the time to kind of miss. FX futures trader, I only traded during the stream. And that would be in the morning when I was there in the stream, and also tonight right now. Seven more minutes. Are you a full-time trader? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Maybe at some point I think I should, because I'd like to put a lot more time and attention to my trading, right? And you know, clear my mind. I just got a lot of stuff going on right now, so I think maybe it's a good thing. I don't know. I mean, I've been profitable for a long time now, right? So it's not like it's not something going full time. I mean, it's easily doable. I could have done that year and a half ago, but it's yeah, there's a lot of other things that comes to my mind, like, you know what I mean, it's health issues, right? It's health issues. And let's just say you're you know, I'm not saying this is what it's gonna happen, but let's just say you're not doing well for a month or two, right? And you got a lot of stuff to take care of, and so what is it gonna be? And of course, it really depends on what stage you are in your life as well. All right, so I'm gonna have to wait. Just gonna have to stay a little patient, guys. I'm already down $500, right? And we have 4 minutes to go for Tokyo, and it looks like this market is trying to get a little bit of a grind to the upside. So we'll wait and see what this market does. 4 more minutes. We are pushing back up again here tonight. Chris S777, that's awesome that you make $20,000 a month trading and still have another full-time job. Is it inspiring? Well, if it is, yeah, thank you, and I hope you do well too. I hope everybody does way better than I do, to be honest, you know. All right, so I'm thinking of putting my limit order to the downside. We got 3 more minutes, and I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should try to short this bad boy on a bounce. I have no idea, everybody. I am so confused. Welcome to the Globex ASIA, guys. The worst and the biggest trading session. Yeah, I mean, being a streamer, I don't even know if I call myself a streamer, to be honest. Yes, I mean, I do kind of respect, you know, I do respect that all of you are here checking me out, you know, seeing my trades, but I've got to do a better job to be a real streamer, right? I'm just a newbie, so I'm just a newbie. I'm trying to get better at it, but you know, it's I'll tell you something, trading is part of my DNA, but not like being a streamer is not part of my DNA. So I've got to do a lot of hard work. So that's the problem, right? I'm not really great at you know, being in front of people, but I try. So it's not part of my DNA, but at least I give it a try. You know what I mean? There was a time, I think it was what, last year in August or something like that, August or September. So it's been a little over a year now I've been streaming, but you know, I was so embarrassed right at the start, right? But yeah, it's kind of got better over time, but still, I think I still have a lot of work to do as far as streaming goes. But trading is part of my DNA. I love trading. It's my passion, you know what I mean? Even though I've got a lot of other stuff going on during the day, I still trade. You know, I trade, I keep trading. It doesn't stop, guys. And it doesn't matter how much everybody tells me you're over trading. It doesn't matter. I will over trade all day long. It doesn't matter. It's a passionate day trader. The YouTube doesn't pay much. Yeah. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but I mean, YouTube is just, it just pays for your gas, right? It's a little bit of a pays for your noodles and your gas, I think. Yeah. Ramen, yeah, exactly, ramen. A little more expensive ramen, if you will, not a you know, not a dollar a ramen, but at least, you know, a Japanese noodle, a Korean noodle. Yeah, a portion of the electric bill, I think. Shin Black, oh nice, Shin Ramen. There we go. Oh guys, Toki's open now. I swear to God, man, I'm so mad at this. Oh my God, I missed out. I missed out on that freaking trade. I'm so mad right now. Incredible. Oh, guys. I missed it, man. I was looking at this other screen and I missed it. It's okay. We'll have another chance. We'll take a stab. But I do not want to make a mistake here, right? By trying to I want to get some directional move. Usually, you know, you get that sort of a directional move So I like to see that, you know what I mean? I like to see that right now. I'm just not getting that. You know, I'm okay to not trade this account. 470 bucks. I can easily kind of get it back tomorrow morning while I'm driving. You need a bell for the market open. You know what I need right now, guys? I need to go to the washroom, man. Holy mochaccino. Ooh, baby, StockTiger is back. StockTiger is back. All right, fellow traders, where is this market going to go? Let's take a look and see the poll. We got 200 votes in a favor of this market pushing up. I want to do a little poll again. Guys, man, just try to be honest, right? Where... Yeah, let's do a little poll again, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Obviously, 10 minutes ago and to now, it's changed. Yeah, I had a tough time this morning trying to freaking trade all my accounts, but nothing there pretty significant, to be honest, man. It was just a small little couple $100 across all my accounts, but with the one big damage, I ended up losing one of my very important accounts. That's over $3,000 of profit on it. So that kind of sucks, but you know, overall, I'll kind of take it. It could have definitely been a better day. Can you help me figure out what went wrong with my stop loss order? Oh, I'm not sure what that means. All right, guys, let's take a look and see what you guys think. We got over 50 votes in a favor of this market. Keep going up, guys. We had 2 votes already, and a lot of you guys are thinking this market's going to push to the upside, which obviously comes as a, well, I don't know if it comes as a surprise to me. It does look like this market wants to get a bounce. I do kind of see that. Should I give it a try here again, guys? Or should I give it a try to the long side? Man. Oh, 1 second, everybody. Maybe back to the VWAP bounce? I don't know. Oh my god. Just not sure, guys. Just not sure. I'm gonna have to See, I'm gonna have to wait for a pattern, guys. I want to wait for a pattern. I want to have a better conviction here in my trade, at least on this one, right? I'm trading on funded accounts, so I really want to. I want a better clarity here on this market, guys, before I can actually try to take a stab here, right? So, all right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the poll. You know, I think kind of give you an understanding what this what traders are kind of thinking. All right, so we got pretty much over half the traders thinking we are gonna get a bounce in this market. So. I wonder what sort of a news do we have coming in tomorrow morning. Let's take a look and see. The Japanese CPI remains sticky in November, guys. All right, so Japanese CPI remains sticky in November. As Bank of Japan rate hike looms. All right, so that's Japan. That's a completely different conversation. So let's take a look and see what the economic calendar is giving us into tomorrow morning. All right, so we got a core PCE tomorrow. So we got a core CPE tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Core CPE, core PCE, right? And we also have FOMC William coming out in the morning as well at the same time at 8:30 to obviously start yapping. But all right, so there we go, guys. We got PCE report coming in tomorrow morning, as we got CPI this morning. Usually that's CPI first, and then you have the PCE data coming in next. David, some people probably voted for opposite of what they think. Yeah, that's right too. That's right. I hope you guys didn't do that. All right, so the market kind of, I don't know.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, I'm gonna try and short this market, guys. We'll see how it goes now. The PC is tomorrow. I'm surprised that it did not hit my TP here. I'm surprised that it did not hit my TP. I'm damn surprised that it did not hit my TP. I guess might as well just kind of put it down here into the VWAP.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. Making a quick scalp here, guys. If this market's not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna try and scalp this. There's no PC tomorrow, really. I wasn't looking at the wrong data. Sorry, guys. Scrap what I said. I thought I was looking at the right PCE. Let me just see once again. Tomorrow. No, we have PCE report coming out tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow PCE data coming in at we got a home sale at 10 o'clock, and we got a PCE coming in at 6:30 or 8:30. We have a consumer sentiment. Michigan consumer sentiment at 10. We have existing home sales coming in as well. And we also have core PCE. Alongside with that, we got FOMC as well. Oh my god, I missed that move again. Wow. Let's try to make sure. Broke the uptrend line, buy in the teens and 20 East for the rally back. Do we have a giveaway here today? We could. Should we have a strong little giveaway here? But we gotta see some love though. One minute. Let me just take a look and see what we have. We already like the stream. Let's do a legend account. Hold on one second, fellow traders. Legend trading with no activation. So it's gonna get you straight to, oh no. Hold on, I'm gonna exit that. Oh my gee. I almost got into that trade. Sorry, everybody. Now, what am I doing right now? Ah. 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to set something up. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna set it up right now. Just give me 1 minute. All right, fellow traders, we are about to begin, and I am going to send an instruction on our Discord, by the way. Please bear with me. Guys, I'm down about $400, man. I'm not a happy camper, but you guys being here itself makes me happy. So let's have some fun here, guys, tonight. All right, guys, it's not started yet. It's not started yet. Just bear with me, everybody. I'm trying to set it up. All right, that's the instruction there. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. What is this guy talking about? Oh, listening to you, StockTiger, complain about your computer. I didn't talk about my computer though today. We got a lot of weird people. Anyways. All right, so I haven't got into any trade right now. I'm just kind of trying to wait to see some kind of a directional move here, right? Because we're kind of stuck in this range. I'd like to see a little bit of a break. So while I wait for this market to kind of do its thing, oh yeah, my instruction on my giveaway, guys. 1 second, guys. Got really confused. I got some weird. My apologies, guys. What is up with this? 1 second. What is going on here? Hold on, guys. I've got to fix my giveaway. Oh, there we go. I fixed it now. All right, there we go, guys. Go ahead and post your, not post your, type in exclamation tiger. And this is for a legend account, 50K account giveaway here today. With no activation, so there's no activation on this account. All right, is market trying to get a pullback here or what now, guys? All right, I'm looking for some kind of a directional move. You're right at the bottom end of this trend line here, so I think I'd like to really see this market kind of hold at 220. It doesn't look like it doesn't look very bullish to me, to be honest. $228. I'm trying to be extra careful in my trading right now because I'm trading my XFA. I'm trying to get to a what do you call this? A payout. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do that here today, unless we see something a little bit more fruitful as far as the price action is concerned. So far, it's just not doing anything, right? So it's kind of a little hard. Okay. Trying to be patient. This market is really testing my patience here, guys. Once again, type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway. My stream today is going to be a little bit short because I've got to go. Hopefully we can get through this giveaway here before I leave, and yeah. And thank you guys for being here as well. I'm trying to see what this market does here, guys. It's so far. I don't know. It's a pretty interesting price action to be, to say the least. I don't even know what this market's trying to do, to be honest. 228. What the heck are you trying to do, market? I might as well just swing trade an account and that's it. Vince, what's the Take Profit Trader giveaway? What do you mean? Did you win a Take Profit Trader giveaway before? If you did win, Take Profit Trader giveaways are with no activation. All right, fellow traders, looking for, man, it really almost kind of looks like it wants to bring it down and try to retest the 200 before we try to get a bounce, right? I don't know. I'm gonna have to just stay a little bit more patient here, guys. I know we are already 30 minutes past Tokyo, but I want to stay just a little more patient. I want to see what this market's gonna do now. See, there we go, guys. We're getting a little bounce. Should I try to? Oh man, so tempted. So tempted.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long here. I'm looking for that quick snap here. Let's see if we can actually get a little bounce back. Looking for how many points, man? This is literally only about 5 points bounce that I'm going to be looking for here. I don't even think I'm going to be getting that right now, to be honest. I'll take it and walk away, guys. Oh man, that's like a $20 No, it's a $20 gain. When is Japan a rate cut? Whatever they're trying to do. When is it coming in? Does anybody know? You have to wait for China, let it settle, then you have your direction for about 2-3 hours. What happened? I just need $150 and now I'm down 500. What the heck was that all about? For why? How does that work? See, this is exactly the reason why I actually ended up taking my profit. I just did not feel really comfortable trying to hold on to that trade. I need it now. That's right. I need it now. You thought I only traded micros? No, I trade all. I trade pretty much all instruments, to be honest. I trade the NQ, the mini contracts. I also trade the micros too. So it really depends on the market condition, right? So sometimes I do micros, sometimes I do mini contracts. All right, we got a bounce above the VWAP here on a tick chart, and this top step, because they don't have the 200 tick chart, I used their 500 tick chart right for now. So I used 500 tick chart on the top step, and I used 200 tick chart on obviously my rest of my accounts, right? You know what? I've got to do something here. I've got to count it today, so I'm gonna have to try to
Order submitted.
do a little.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm here just trying to flip the days on my Take Profit Trader, so I can count this a day. So while this market's really not doing anything, let's try to finish the easier part, right? So I don't really have to put too much attention into tomorrow morning.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It looks like this market, I don't know, man. I'm not sure what this market's trying to do, to be honest. It looks like we may get some kind of a pullback.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order canceled.
There we go. I'm just gonna be looking to quickly.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Oh, I've already traded this account. Didn't realize that.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order filled.
submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
All right, guys, I'm patiently waiting for this market to do its thing. Looks like we are getting a little pullback down, guys. Are we gonna roll over down? Is that what this market is trying to do? Oh, we may try to just chop around in this range.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Looks like it's trying to get a pullback here. Is that what it is? Does look like it wants to get a pullback here, guys.
Order filled.
All right, I went long here on my XFA, looking for that quick bounce back into 231. It gives me about $100 profit on that trade. Hopefully we don't get a dumpage here, guys. We are right at the very important level now, so we're gonna have to kind of hold this 220. It's a quite a level of a support here, so I'm not looking for a big profit, but XFA looking for that quick snap here back into 230. That's literally only about 6-7 points. So let's see if this Globex Asia has, well, it's not Globex anymore. Let's see if this market gives me that a small little bounce, or we end up getting a pullback here. Not sure what this market's trying to do, but I'm gonna be looking for that 7 points bounce, guys, right now, and that would kind of put me in that a better spot here if I can. $227 right now. 231 is where I'm gonna be targeting. Let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce back here, guys. I may get lucky here or no.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. Oh, I'm only down to 297, guys. Only down to 297.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order
Oh,
filled.
there we go. There we go, guys. Nice trade. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about this, right? I mean, this could have been a lot worse. This could have been a lot worse.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that. Yeah, that was not a bad trade. I kind of liked. I took a stab at the right spot. I saw this pullback here in Take Profit Trader on a Tradeovate, and I'm like, you know what? Looks like we could get at least a little bit of a bounce. Took a stab. Took this $100 bounce. How's everybody doing tonight, guys? Anybody trading tonight? It's been relatively quiet here today, guys. Quiet market, quiet chat. What is up, everybody? What is up for dinner too? How's everybody doing? You're full red today. Oh, Ariano, really? What happened, bro? What makes you go red today? Trading live cattle? Really, Governor FOMO? That's crazy, man. What's the ticker symbol for live cattle? Mr. Andrew, you're short the market and getting nervous. Yeah, I'm nervous too. Kelly Kaufman, you just stuffed your face. Scalpish, $600 in your new eval tonight, man. Guys, yeah, I mean, trade the evals, man. This is definitely not the kind of a market condition where you want to be full on your funded account. But you know what? Even this morning, guys, it was a tough morning. I'm telling you, it's no joke, man. I had a really tough time trying to navigate through this price action. It was tough, man. I got smoked a few times, even though obviously I had a good moments, but I also had a very difficult time trying to navigate through this price and try to be profitable, trying to be green throughout the entire day. It's always tough, especially in this kind of a very wild market volatility. It's not easy. Definitely not easy. LE for live cattle, really. I haven't been wow, man. It's crazy. Is it worth it though, Governor FOMO? Is it worth trading live cattle? Nice chart, great pattern, really. Let's take a look at the LE here for a moment. Guys, man, what is this? It's not a bad looking chart, to be honest. Not a bad looking chart. Whoa. Cattle, guys, cattle. Is there a live tiger? Pick a symbol, live tiger. I'd love to trade that bad boy. But guys, man, we hit that ceiling there. We're obviously getting a little rejection of that level too. And I wonder where this market's gonna go next, but I don't know, man. I don't know too much about cattle, so I'm gonna have to skip for now. Let's take a look at the gold here for a moment. I wonder if I can make something out of the gold trade, guys. Should I try to play this gold? Am I gonna get smoked in trading gold here, my fellow traders? I'm trying to see if there's a better price action somewhere else, and I kind of see this gold, but what do you guys think? Oh, kettles are usually slow at the Globex. Oh, I see. Okay, I'll keep an eye on the kettles for sure. I've been lucky with the gold lately. Oh, Mr. Andrew, you've been lucky? Well, you need some luck for sure. Everybody needs some luck. For me, I definitely need some luck for sure. Arian, be a man, try silver. Yeah, you guys, man, I don't want to blow my XFA account. Come on, guys, man. I need more payouts. I'm kind of struggling here, right? I need some payouts, guys. Oh, micro silver. Okay, I see. Micro silver. I may have to think about micro silver here. SIL. Wow, look at this micro damn silver, man. It's just been going up. Should I try to short this bad boy? Is that what it is? Still a bit expensive. Oh. What am I supposed to do now? Trade silver? I'm not sure what to do. See. All right, nothing there on the yeah, I'm not sure where this market is gonna go. I think it's just choppy, chop all day. So hold on one second, guys. I'm trying to set something up here right now as you speak. Break even turns into support. Oh man, that's really annoying sometimes, guys. And Andrew, yeah, I hear you, bro. Can short this market. Looking at the bid and ask, there's a buyer stepping in, keep beating above the last trade, so have to wait for a dump to go long. Well, that's a really good point. RXL, thanks for letting us know here on the chat. Today's range was crazy. I know, man. Governor FOMO, it was crazy all day. Very annoying. You just hit your first payout ever on Top Step just now. Oh man, that's crazy. Fake Mr. Kill. Look at that. Good stuff, man. Do you trade eval same as funded? In a lot of cases, yeah, I do. Sometimes I'm a lot more aggressive on trading evals, of course. Short the metals, man. A take was strong today. Short the metals. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. All right, I wonder what this market's gonna do. What a chop here, guys. Holy man, it's not even moving it at all. Like, at least thankfully, I got my a small little piece. I was down about $500. Find a way to call back up another 200 points. So grateful, very, very grateful here, guys. Just one micro on silver. All right, so we are trying to get a little pullback down here right now. 223. Man, wow, what a confusing price action here. What if I try to long this bad boy right now, guys? Let's try to
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And that was definitely not the kind of a pullback I was looking for. Did I finish my trades on my trade away? Sorry, my take profit trader. So I did end up taking, okay, so 1 2.
Order filled.
It looks like this market may try to dump, man. I may be on the wrong side. I better try to maybe run away right now before it gets too late. Yeah, I'm gonna have to exit this trade here, guys. I will do that. Oh man, it's slow as hell. I don't think this is a good spot for me to try to be
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, forgive me, guys. Forgive me. I'm doing something that I'm gonna regret right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I exit that trade. But I made $60 on that trade. But again, it's just too trying to make something while this market's obviously not doing anything, right? So, oh, Mikey, don't do it, Tiger. Hey, man, it's already done. The damage is already done, brother. What am I gonna do now? TK, what is up, man? Hey, guys, man. The market's moving a few points. God, man, this is the beautiful thing about trading the Globex Asia, guys. Incredible. Globex Asia. Wow, guys, come on. Let's have some fun. All right, guys, we are trying to get a bounce back into the VWAP. Wow, maybe I should have held that trade. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and scale into my trade on a pullback here. Let's see, guys, if you do that. Maybe I should have held that. Too bad. I mean, only down about $250, man. Woo! Trying to find a way to survive this battle, guys, man. How hard can this be to just get my freaking $150 payout? Oh, not a payout. $150 profit to count as a day. It looks like we're trying to grind to the upside, guys. I kind of like what I see, but again... Oh, I just want to make sure I'm not in any of my trades on my... Okay. Looks like a little bit of a bullish hammer on a 30 minutes chart. I'm trying to get a little bounce back. Tick chart says we are above the VWAP, so... Let's try to see, guys. Asia trading might not be for you. Vorful, why? Yeah, I mean, it's not for everybody. Put it that way. It's not even. I mean, this session, Globex ASIA session, guys. It's easy if you are on a very small size, right? It's very easy if you're on a very small size. But if you are trying to trade with a full size during Globex ASIA, it can wiki all day. So you're gonna end up blowing your accounts without even you knowing, because you're on a full size, right? I think anything beyond 1 mini contract, obviously, I think probably a good time. Well, I kind of feel like, 3 to 4 micro contracts is probably the best, a sweet spot to kind of trade the Globex ASIA, to be honest with you, because it does a lot of wonky stuff. It goes up and goes down and up and down. It kind of feels like a what do you call this? Like a spring, right? Like a spring coil. I don't know how to what's the word to use, but what goes out comes back in, up down, pretty much, right? So that's why it's got a lot of wild swings, Globex ASIA, and that's why it's kind of difficult to trade and to kind of gauge which direction it's gonna go. And that's why I said smaller size always are probably the best for Globex ASIA. I probably would have been a lot more successful in trading Globex ASIA if I was in few contracts micro, but of course I've never done that. I do that, but I do that when I am swing trading overnight, couple micro contracts. A seesaw or roller coaster, a pullback, you're enter if it does. Asian session, I'm gonna enter if it does. Spiky, spicy, like a slinky rubber band. Exactly, there we go. Mr. Andrew, thanks for using that word, man. It's like a rubber band, right? And that's why it's tough to trade this, Globex ASIA. What goes up, it pulls back so quickly, it makes you kind of like go, okay, the market is very bearish, but all of a sudden it pulls back and it goes back up again, and then it feels like bullish over again, like all of a sudden, and then bearish, and then bullish, and then bearish. What the hell, man? All freaking night, bull bear. Oh god. All right, anyways, guys, enough of my blah blah blah. All right, so we are now trying to hold this 239. Are we going to hold this VWAP, or are we going to get a pullback? So if we actually get above the 350, right, this could be a little bit of a trending to the upside, right? A trending to the upside kind of a play. Something like this, of this nature. But of course, we gotta kind of have to get over to 50, and 250 has to kind of hold to give us that little bit of a directional move here. So far, it looks like we're kind of holding, but we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. It's anybody's guess for now. Take a look at the Oracle. What's going on with Oracle? Is something going on there? I know Oracle, I bought some Oracle shares this morning. Holy mochaccino. All right, guys, what is up with this Oracle? Yeah, Oracle, I just bought like 5 shares to kind of like swing trade. 5 shares. Let me just see if I bought 5 shares. I may be wrong. I'm gonna have to just quickly take a look and see how many shares I bought. I got a very tier 1 size on Oracle. I was like trying to buy a whole bunch of Oracle into the next few days. If we keep pulling back, right, and all of a sudden we are like 5% up, you gotta be kidding. And that's crazy, guys. So let me just take a look and see what's going on here. Oh, I bought 3 shares, man. I bought 3 shares. I bought 3 shares. I bought 3 shares. Yeah, I bought 3 shares. I'm up $34. Wow. I was really looking for a pullback here in Oracle, to be honest, man. I was getting prepared to kind of like, you know, step into this Oracle talks, which everybody's saying, you know, I think I've kind of learned a hard way. If everybody says, oh, we gotta sell, I'm buyer. I'm a buyer. That's what I said. Oracle, we're pulling back. Nobody wants to buy Oracle. So I took a step and I bought 3 shares this morning. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep adding to my share towards the end of the year. I'll be like, you know, maybe 30 shares. And when we keep getting a pullback. But unfortunately, we are up 6% now after our great. No bueno, no love here with Oracle, unfortunately. Slow market, guys. Holy mochino. Unreal. Let's take a look and see if there's any action here going on in the gold. Oh my mochino, guys. What is up with the gold? Ah, we're getting a much better price action in gold. Damn. Am I gonna go short on this? What am I supposed to do, guys?
Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
StockTiger. Guys, man, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. Please forgive me, everybody. I'm gonna get chewed here. I'm not gonna listen to the chat here, guys. I'm not looking at the chat. I know what you guys gonna say. I'm not here. All right, fellow traders, StockTiger here, shorting gold. Oh, you've got to be kidding! It almost got my. Oh, I thought we were gonna get a little bit of a flush down. Guys, man, this almost kind of feels like we are gonna get a little bit of a dumpage. A 30-feet pullback here down in the gold. Holy, look at this gold, guys. It's definitely moving. Forget about NQ for now. I am stoked. Guys, man, I'm in trouble with this gold, man. I'm down. I'm down now, $40, guys. Somebody save StockTiger. I'm using micro 3 contracts. I'm actually thinking about adding to my short position, by the way. But am I on the wrong side? Are we not gonna get a pullback in gold? I may be on the wrong side. You're right. All right, guys, let's see if we are going to get a little pullback. I'm gonna have to place my limit order, guys, man, just in case. Let's see if this kind of work out. I will place my stop at the break even, guys. My stop at the break. Actually, you know what? I lied. Actually, you know what? I want to put yeah, my stop at the break even, guys. My stop at the break even. Yeah, let me just put my stop at the $5. You know, a labor cost. You know what I mean? $5. It's a labor cost for about a 30 minutes charge. NQ is dumping. God damn it, guys. What the heck's going on with this market now? Now it's starting to move. We spent all 3 hours doing nothing and just being down. And now it's starting to move when I'm just about to leave. Incredible.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Got stopped out there at break even, guys. No bueno. Let's just take a look and see what's going on with the gold. NQ. NQ pulling back, you guys, man. Holy. I have no idea, guys, man. I don't know where this market's trying to go, to be honest. I wish I knew. Yeah, looks like, you know, this lows are kind of getting bought, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not really seeing sellers kind of stepping in. You know, the lows are being bought, so I'm not seeing anything truly special. Man, I really want to short this bad boy, guys. I really want to. Am I gonna get screwed on this gold trade? I kind of feel like, you know, we're getting this one more leg to the downside in the gold, to be honest. We broke underneath that, and we could try to get back into the 60, but eventually we kind of try to fade this, get a little bounce, but then eventually that kind of fades and give us that another leg to the downside, right? That's gonna be, this is the leg one. We had the leg two here. What about that, guys? What do you guys see? I kind of see that right now, but I'm just a little nervous to kind of like try to short this. You guys know I've been pretty bad with the gold, so. Or am I supposed to try to go long here? Not sure, man. Not sure. Maybe try to go long and try to take my profit in that at the VWAP. It's getting kind of confusing.
Connection lost.
Yeah, this price action just flip a coin. Yeah, you're right too. I kind of agree. Let's just try to move back to NQ. NQ's trying to get a bounce back up again.
Order filled.
Oh man, guys, I'm in trouble. I knew it.
Order filled.
Because I took a stab here, guys. I took a stab here, everybody.
Order filled.
Moving my stop to break even, guys. This could be my moment. I'm
Order
out. I'm out.
filled.
I'm out. Woo! All right, guys. StockTiger is back. Oh man, what a battle, guys. I'm trying to get two things done here. I'm trying to get to a payout, number one, here on live. Trying to get to payout here live. And I'm also trying to do the giveaway here as well, guys. Show some love. Show some love, guys. Let's get it going. I'm out. Oh yeah, what a battle. Yeah, of course. I don't know how to trade, man. I don't know how to trade, guys. I don't know how to trade. We know that. Everybody knows that. All right. All right. We are back into the VWAP, guys, man. How am I gonna make this? Should I just walk away with this? Now I'm getting a little I'm getting a little bit of a motion sickness now. Man, I've been extremely patient, right? But I'm only down about 64 bucks. As much as I'd love to request a payout here today, man, I don't know. I'm down 64, right? 1, 2, 3. I missed that day. I don't even know why I missed that day. Something, maybe I kind of forgot. $18, $19, I'm down here, so I need to make $150. So if you do the math, 150 plus 64 negative, and that's a lot of peso I need here, guys. A lot of peso. I'm gonna have to put a lot of effort now. Yeah, the problem is, we try to do that, and we end up losing more, and that's exactly what happened earlier. And the bigger problem is, I just don't know where this freaking market's gonna go. I don't know where this market's gonna go, to be honest. I have no idea. I wish I knew. It's getting a little bit of a pullback here, 232. It's just one mini contract for 11 points. I mean, yeah, I mean, I kind of understand what he's saying, but the problem is, to get 11 points, guys, it's not easy, right? To get 11 points right now today, it's not easy. All right, guys, you know what I'm gonna try and do? I'm gonna try and go with the micro here again. Try to micro scalp here, guys. Let's give it a try one last time. Oh, we are pulling back underneath the view up now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Are we going to get a pullback here or what now, guys? And StockTiger gonna get poo-pooed? Is that what it is? Oh my god. I've got 4 contracts. I'll probably end up just sitting there with that contract size. I don't know. I'm gonna try and do something funky. All right, guys, 1 second. I'll be right back.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my! Mochaccino, is that real? I'm only left with 1 now. I'd like to add some more now. I'm greedy. I'd like to finish this off once and for all. Can we try to make that happen?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, I exited that trade. Oh, I just did not have the did not have the confidence on that one. I kind of expected a little pullback here down. I'll try to go reload on a pullback here down, guys. 1 second. I want to see a little more pullback here before we try to go long.
Order filled.
There we go. It's a better price action now. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be trading NKD today. I don't trade NKD. I've never traded NKD.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
God, I'm so tempted, guys.
Order filled.
I exited that trade again.
Order
We'll try
filled.
to reload.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. No bueno, guys. No bueno.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Oh man, I've got to go. But okay, guys, let's do our giveaway. I need to finish that off, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, please take a few seconds of your time to do that. I am gonna call out the winner now, guys. Good luck, everybody. I've got to go, so we don't really have a lot of time. This market's pulling back and I'm down, which is great. I may have to give this trade a little bit more room. Maybe $1,000 room. So if we end up getting a pullback here, which could be possible, then I may be down quite a lot. So I went long, kind of thinking this could be a little bit of a you know, higher low on a tick chart standpoint, but so far it looks like we may break down. If we get underneath, obviously if we get underneath the 220 area, then I think this is going to look a lot more bearish. We could see a big flush down all the way back into the very low 180s. So I don't know, man. It did kind of look like we are trying to get to the upside, right? I was kind of leaning more of a right, like a trend line, kind of respecting in that level. So I thought maybe we'll see ourselves back into this level at least, or here, right? And then maybe get a rejection later on, but I mean at least give us a little bounce. But I think maybe that's a little mistake, because maybe I was trying to be a little naive, because here I went long right here, which I thought this could have been a little confirmation to give us that little push back up, right? And that becomes a higher low. But unfortunately, we broke down, which I should have seen better. I don't know. A bit of a mistake on my part. So we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. I'm gonna let this trade kind of play out on its own. I'm not gonna be holding it overnight, but I'm gonna let it sit there and see what happens. For now, guys, let's do our giveaway. Good luck, everybody. I gotta go, so I'm gonna close the entries, guys. Thank you guys once again for being here, and let's go ahead and do our legend 50K account and giveaway right now. There's no activation on these accounts, so don't forget to subscribe as well, guys. I go live every day doing Globex Asia, and also go live in the mornings too, twice a week minimum, at about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So do not forget to hit that notification bell. And your last chance to type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway now. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, as well, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you guys once again, and let's go ahead and do our entry. I'm gonna close the entry now, guys. Good luck. All right, I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, guys. Let's go. Mr. Trader Pro, I'm gonna give you 1 minute now to confirm that you are here with us. 1 minute to confirm. Mr. Trader Pro, let me know if you're in the house, or maybe you're in a different house. I don't know, but you got 1 minute to confirm. 1 minute to confirm, Mr. Trader Pro. 1 minute here. You got 37 seconds to go. Time is ticking. He's left. Oh my god. Don't worry, we're kind of down. Mr. Trader Pro, tell me you are here, please. 16 more seconds to go. All right, fellow traders. 2:33 the market now. 3 more seconds. 2, 1. Time is up, and is Mr. Trader Pro here? Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, bro. Is that a coincidence? You've got to be kidding, man. Tell me you did that purposely to make this a lot more exciting, guys. Guys, once again, congrats to Mr. Trader Pro for winning your Legend account giveaway. There's no activation on this account, so... Trader Pro, I'm gonna have to have you DM me right now. God, man, look at this dump in this market, guys. Incredible. I'm gonna have to exit this trade. Yeah, that was a lower high. Oh well. F me, guys. What a way to end the week. Something's not great. What a nasty pullback. I may have to end up blowing this account now. I don't know, man. This is not looking good at all. There's something going on right now. Something's dumping. I'm down $700. I wonder if I have to just hold on to this or just cut it loose. This could be a little bit of a dumpage here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we'll hang on there. We'll see what happens, guys. For now, it's not looking good. I may be down quite a lot by the time this is said and done. Maybe a payout is in jeopardy. Oh, we have Japan news as well. All right, maybe this is on jeopardy, guys. I may be cooked. Unfortunately, everything was just not right about this, man. Maybe I should have just been patient, not try to. I try to rush into a payout, which obviously ended up getting roasted. Anyways, guys, I'll take a look and see what I am supposed to do with this. I may end up cutting loose. I may end up holding. I'll let you guys know. For now, I've got to go. So everybody have a great rest of the day. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Everybody have a great rest of the week. Be careful trading tomorrow. I will not be trading tomorrow. Everybody, love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here every day with us, every single freaking day on a Sunday. Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. and also in the morning as well. Thank you guys. Congrats to the winner. We'll see you guys back on a Sunday night. Everybody, God bless. Take care. Trade safe. Love you guys and take care and peace out, everybody.